Hey everyone, Jason here, aspiring entrepreneur and digital marketing consultant, back again with another sales funnel showdown and review. Today we are looking at Thrive Themes and ClickFunnels, specifically the top 5 reasons ClickFunnels is better than Thrive Themes. Make sure you check out the links in the description to other sales funnel reviews comparing ClickFunnels to things like OptimizePress and lead pages, as well as a video on the top 5 reasons Thrive Themes is better than ClickFunnels, just to balance out the negativity against Thrive Themes in this video. So let's go ahead, jump right in. Reason number 5 is ClickFunnels is really designed for beginners. So if you have no interest in learning WordPress, or you're really new to this whole digital marketing, sales, online sales funnel building thing, ClickFunnels really shines with the way that they put together their page building experience, because what it allows you to do is walk through a very templated process of figuring out what type of funnel to set up. So if you're really brand new and you just want to dive in without really understanding the different types of funnels, then ClickFunnels is really for you, because with a couple of clicks, they'll kind of suggest the best type of funnel that will work for you in your situation, and then you're off to the races building. Now, reason number 4, ClickFunnels is better than Thrive Themes, deals with the affiliate function. Now, if you're just getting started, this probably isn't a huge deal, but thinking long term is important. And so what's nice about ClickFunnels is when you upgrade to their suite that's like I think currently $300 a month, you have something called Backpack. And what Backpack allows you to do is have affiliates for all of your products and services. So it's a really nice affiliate system, and you're not going to be paying a commission like you would if you're doing it via Commission Junction, JVZoo, or ClickBank, and it just allows a tremendous amount of control over your affiliate program, and I think it's a lot easier to use than what Infusionsoft has to offer. Now, reason number 3, ClickFunnels is better than Thrive Themes, deals with the membership site capabilities. Now, Thrive Themes has something called Thrive Apprentice. It's very easy to set up and allows you to put together all different types of courses and trainings relatively quickly, just as quickly, I think, as ClickFunnels. The difference, though, is because of the way ClickFunnels is set up, it actually has the protection built in, whereas Thrive Themes, you're going to have an additional plugin to protect all the membership content and figure out the different membership levels, whereas ClickFunnels has you covered on all of that. Despite some of the issues that they have with the membership website, it is a done-for-you membership website solution where you can have different packages, you can have different membership site levels, and it's relatively easy to put together, which actually leads me into reason number 2, ClickFunnels is better than Thrive Themes, and that's the payment gateway. Because what's nice is ClickFunnels not only has you covered on the membership side, but it also has you covered on the payment side. Thrive Themes, again, you're going to be looking for a different solution to accept payments and get people into Thrive Apprentice or whatever membership software you decide to use. Whereas ClickFunnels has a Stripe and Braintree integration where you can accept payments, you can do upsells and you can do downsells, cross-sells. Every fancy thing you want to do with your checkout sequence, you can do with ClickFunnels, and because your membership site is on the same platform, it's a very seamless integration where you have upsells and downsells. You have a tremendous amount of control to make sure that people go into the right membership levels or the right membership packages, because it's all on one platform. Whereas Thrive Themes, you're probably looking at 3 to 4 different things to put together that same process. So on the ClickFunnels side, it's definitely much smoother. And this is going to lead me into reason number 1, which is kind of a summary of this video, and that is ClickFunnels is just dead simple to use. Even though I personally use Thrive Themes and I use OptimizePress more than I use ClickFunnels, I actually left ClickFunnels, you can't deny how easy ClickFunnels makes it to build your funnel. With just a few clicks, you can put together a funnel, whether you're a beginner or a veteran or you're an agency doing it for clients. The fact that everything is on one platform for just a flat fee of $97 a month is just ridiculous in terms of the value. And even though I don't personally use ClickFunnels, it is a great solution for someone who really doesn't want to deal with developers, doesn't want to dig into WordPress, and just wants to get their funnel up and running as quickly as possible and doesn't really want to dive into the details or get too fancy with the way they set up their funnels. So that does it for the top 5 reasons ClickFunnels is better than Thrive Themes when it comes to building your sales funnel. I'm curious what you think of this list, and if you'd add or subtract anything. Go ahead and comment below. Your experience and opinion will help others figure out which software solution to use for their business. So if you got some value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button and then subscribe, because over on the channel, I'm documenting the entire process of what it takes to build an online business from scratch, and of course choosing your sales funnel software and figuring out WordPress versus ClickFunnels versus Instapage or Lead Pages or Optimize Press, and all the different solutions you have out there is kind of a big deal when it comes to putting together your digital business. So make sure you check out the links in the description to other software reviews so you can get a clear, unbiased kind of 50-foot view of all the options you have, so that you know with confidence you can dive into one to be successful. And of course, if you have any feedback, go and drop it in the comment section below, because your feedback and experience is going to help others make the right decision, even if it's different than what I personally use. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions or feedback, and as always, keep building the business you love. Take care.